Yo, Snapchat. So IBM just democratized quantum computing by opening up their 5-qubit quantum computer to the world. Bah. So they basically put their quantum computer in the cloud, which is really freaking amazing. It's the first time it's ever been done. I'll put the link below for you to play with it. So you can actually play around and feed algorithms to a 5-qubit quantum computer. So there's no way I'm going to try and explain how quantum computers work on this because I'll probably like fuck up and look stupid. But basically you have 1, 0 and both. How? And 5 qubits is not much, it's very little. I think D-Wave is coming out with a 1,000-qubit quantum computer soon. And it's, even though it's very small, it's at that early days, but it's an exponential technology, so it's going nuts. I think the main story here is that how amazing it is that we can democratize new technologies so quickly. You know, think about the super mainframe computers, the very first computers were the size of rooms. It's kind of like we've taken that and then given it to everyone. And just think like 10 years from now, like kids will be able to basically spin up an AWS server or spin up, you know, any server or plug into any cloud computing technology that's running on quantum computing. And the reason why Google and IBM and others are investing in quantum computing is that it's really, really fast at solving things like traveling salesman problems, machine learning, big data, because it can basically look at all problems and solve them at once. I'll also link below this talk by Steve Jurvetson, who's a VC who invested in D-Wave and companies like that. And he talks about Rose's law, which is just like, will blow your mind. Because with quantum computers, they don't basically double like a Moore's law, they could quadruple. So there's actually, if you look at Rose's law, it says that by about like 2016, 2017, and it'll be faster than all computers. I'm not sure how accurate this timeline is, but shortly after that, quantum computers will be faster than the universe. Now let me explain why that is. So because of this Rose's law, which is essentially like Moore's law and Moore's law for quantum computing, you very quickly get to the point where it exceeds the computational abilities if you turn the entire universe into a computer. In other words, if you took every single atom in the universe and erased it into a classical computer, a quantum computer could still outperform that, which means, like, where's that computational resource coming from? Well, the explanation is that it's pulling on the computational resources of parallel universes. What? No. So if that pans out to be true and we get to that point, that means that we'll have like cloud computing and, you know, just a simple API to like pull on all the computational resources of parallel universes. Yeah. So in the near future, little Billy can spin up, you know, just a few AWS parallel universes to compute on his VR or AR project. You know, wow. So Snapchat thoughts, what do you think about this whole parallel universe thing with quantum computing? And what would you build on a 5-qubit computer, which you can do right now? Hey.